Hi Leo and welcome to Divine Enchantress. Welcome to your June 2020 love readings. Alright, as you all know, those who are already connected, I welcome them. Also, I welcome the new subscribers and cross watchers for the channel. Alright, so let's see what is in store for your love, romance, and relationship. Please keep in mind that these readings are purely general in nature, so they may or may not resonate with you. However, take them as they resonate, and I apologize if they completely don't. Alright. So let's see for Leo for the month of June 2020. What do we have in store for love, romance, and relationships? And this time I'll be also using the angel answers, the angel dreams cards to see what message comes through for Leo for the month of June 2020. As you can see, these cards are very sticky, and I have a problem with shuffling them, so I don't actually use them. Yes, Dandelion. So, vitality, empowerment, perseverance. These are empowerment and passion are qualities a Leo is born with. So, again, let's get to your romance angels and see what message the romance angel has for you. So, Leo, for the month of June 2020, let's see what we have in store for you. That is, let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. Now, this may come as a little, a little unacceptable because Leo is a very strong, is a very beautiful sign. It's full passion, full of health, vitality, and as this card completely says, vitality, empowerment, perseverance. So this is a very these qualities Leo is born with, because for you are self nurturing, you are so strong and passionate that you do everything to provide for yourself, your loved ones, you protect, and you're like a knight. So for you to come out of your shell and ask for help and or guidance could be a little nah, not my style kind of thing. Let's get in detail for Leo. All right, Leo. So, Leo is marching in this month with a very clear, focused mind. Most of you have a very good clarity as to what you want in the month of June for you. Now, in the past, I feel for some of you, there could be a third party situation dealing with emotionally when it came. Either there were too many things on your mind, Leo, or you were dealing, or your partner was, in this situation. I feel that there was a lot of confusion. There was a little, you felt that either for some of you, now again I apologize if this doesn't resonate with everyone, Leo, all right, but maybe you were in two minds, or in the past you have not, you were maybe trying to balance certain situations, or for some of you it was that there were people or situations that you were not much clear about. Maybe when it came to relationships or commitments, you were not sure who has the best to offer for you, who has the right intentions for you. But it all changes in the month of June, because as we can see, the Six of Wands, Leo, all right, you have made a very clear mind as to what you wish. You're like marching inside and winning. So Leo, it is very clear for you. It could be you could be dealing with another fire sign or anyone in general, all right, or this could be your energy as well. But just make sure, Leo, that all the energy, your energy could be so intense sometimes that it can overwhelm the other person. And it is it is a very beautiful thing when you have set your mind upon something. You want answers, you want clarity, all right, or maybe you were wondering since a very long time what this person has in mind for you or in store for you, and you are marching straight ahead. But Leo, you have to be careful, because we have the Knight of Wands in reversed in the future over here. So you just have to be careful that if the pace is too fast for this person, and it is good to have clarity, all right, but just make sure to get that balance. And also, before you make any important moves, if it is to do, for some of you it is a breakup, that you may be thinking about a separation, or or you may be thinking about a confrontation. But before that, in time, a very good message comes for you, is let your friends help you. So please ask for those who have had similar experiences, or your friends that you can rely upon before you take a major step, because your clarity and your strength and determination is very good this month. You're entering with no matter what it is, I'm gonna just be like done and dusted with whatever situation it is. So if you are wondering if someone likes you, or if they have been playing some mind games, or they have been giving you clues for a very long time now, for some of you I feel this could be the scene wherein you are confronting, you are going ahead, and you're trying to clear situations, win this person off, or whatever it is, win yourself that piece off. So it is all good and clear, but unless and until you maintain the balance, Leo. Because sometimes you can get so overwhelmed that even if you are, I would say, for as far as I've had experience, Leos are very misunderstood, because they are very upfront, they are very honest, and they take taking shit is not their style, and they are completely sorted in their life. So this is a very good trait. But sometimes when it comes to expressing, sometimes when it comes to confrontations, a good communication, a healthy communication can, in within seconds, it can turn to making the person feel like being blamed, or feeling overwhelmed or intimidated by you. So Leo, please make sure that you take a little help or advice from your friends this month of June, to get to wherever this is, because you may have a very good intention set on your mind, but a little guidance or a little help with that, nudge, with that speech, or with that clarity that you seek, could really help you, Leo, in getting ahead with this situation. So Leo, I would say, let your friends help you. I know it is not your forte to let people enter your life, or get into what your business is, but it is still, it could not just be a friend, it could be your family, or it could be your siblings, it could be anyone that you feel a little trusted towards, or a professional help, or anyone that could really help you, to understand the entire situation before you take that major step. Because with the Knight of Wands in reverse, things may not pretty go as you totally wished, or could have in mind. Things could go a little out of hands or balance. So over here, the guidance for the month of June, Leo, for you would be, let your friends guide you. And all of this, energy, vitality, empowerment is all great and good, but give a ear to the other person, make the conversation very healthy, or do a thorough background check before making any important, or life changing, altering decisions. So I hope you all are in the safety of your homes, and I'm sorry if this does not resonate to you. So please, I apologize. And also let me know in the comments as if you liked it. So the thing is, I have been planning, as I said, for financial and career reading, also weekly readings for the from the month of June, a segment for all these additional readings on the channel. So let me know if it is a good idea, and I hope you all are safe and we all come through with this situation as human community together with this whole pandemic, and we emerge out healthier, stronger, better. All right, let's hope for the best and see you all very soon. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye.